Hey everyone, and welcome to Entertainment and Celebrities Community Channel. In this video, we will discuss about Taehyung last emotional and cuddle moment with Jungkook and dog from military today. But first, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss any update. So in this video, Taekook both were seen together as Taehyung and Jungkook were at V military area, and these moments came today after Taehyung announced about his dog death. Taekook was seen when Taehyung was the one who hugged his dog here, and Jungkook and his mother were there too. This is the emotional cuddle last moment of Taehyung with dog that came today when Jungkook and his mother gave him family support too. So this was about the topic. Hope you like this update. See you in the next video. Bye bye.